This is Mitch with Audimute Soundproofing. We're at the music settlement this morning in Cleveland, in Ohio City, and we're going to transform this space into something absolutely amazing. And Audimute has just completed its work. Actually, the music settlement team did an amazing job at installing several elements that makes this room sound great. Listen to this great echo. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Quick clap test. Here we go. Remember that echo that was here before? It's pretty much gone.